Hey, what's up, Dent coin holder? What's going on, my friends? Dent coin price will pumps up, my friend. If we check out the last 12-hour chart, my friend, so you can see here 0.17% Dent coin price this and only increase. Otherwise, if we check out the Shiba Inu, my friend, so Shiba Inu, 30% price is increase. This time you can see here the Dent coin just and only 0.17, but Shiba Inu will get a 30% profit. So absolutely, if you want my friend to check out Shiba Inu coin, so my video is available on my channel. Check out, my friend, the latest Shiba Inu price prediction video. I hope you will better understand. My friends, Dent coin price will be increasing absolutely, but this time you can see here they were fails down. So remember to after a jump, absolutely every coin will dumps down, but don't worry if they were fails down, my friends. So this is temporary pump. As you can see here in last 24 hours this year, a Dent coin is completely dumps down. All crypto market is completely very badly fails down, but from last 12 hours, my friends, all currency were starting moving upward. So therefore I am so happy and I'm very shocked, my friends, to see these changes, to see this profit, because from there I can't expect this, my friends, to in this time this coin will starting moving upward, but definitely that's reality. The price will increasing now. All right, holders, so please what you will need to do, my friends, to get a profit and be safe from loss. My friends, my opinion is for all of you to please hold down and don't starting selling. What's your opinion? Share it in a comment box. And my friend, my prediction is 100% going positive, because in previous days, my friend, I already predicted this coin, and definitely my prediction is 100% going positive, because after a fails I'm 100% sure to every coin will pumps up. So if they will starting moving upward, my friends, so absolutely that all credit goes to holder. Absolutely, you can say they will hit the resistance line, but again they were fails down. So therefore if they will moving upward from resistance line, that's mean to they are in the profit. But if they were fails down and they will my friends decrease now very fastly, so definitely they are in the loss. So kindly holders, you will need to hold on and don't starting selling. I hope in upcoming time Dentcoin will give you a very good profit. Thanks for watching. Please like video and subscribe channel.